Foods with no carbs and no sugar. Hey everyone! Welcome back to CLB Healthy Remedies. Are you ready for today's topic? It's one of my favorites. Foods with zero carbs and zero sugar. Yes, you heard that right. Delicious, satisfying foods that don't just keep the carbs away but are also completely sugar-free. Whether you're here because you're on a keto journey, managing your blood sugar, or just curious about healthier food options, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete list of no-carb, no-sugar foods and some creative ways to enjoy them. Ready? Let's dive in. So, why are so many people cutting carbs and sugar? Well, here's the scoop. Cutting carbs helps your body burn fat for energy instead of relying on quick sugar fixes. It stabilizes your blood sugar levels, preventing those nasty crashes that leave you hungry an hour after eating. And many people find it gives them more consistent energy throughout the day. No more 3 p.m. slumps. But here's the best part. Going low carb or no sugar doesn't mean eating boring bland food. You'll see in just a moment that the options are way more exciting than you'd think. Let's meet the stars of the show. Foods that have absolutely zero carbs and sugar. These are the backbone of a carb-free lifestyle. And the best part? They're simple, delicious, and packed with nutrients. Let's break it down. 1. Meat and poultry. From juicy chicken thighs to a perfectly grilled steak, meat is naturally free of carbs and sugar. Think beef, pork, lamb, chicken, turkey, you name it. Whether you're a fan of hearty roasts or quick-grilled burgers, these proteins are always a win. Fatty cuts like ribeye or pork belly not only taste amazing but keep you feeling full for longer thanks to their high-fat content. Want something quicker? Ground meat is a fantastic option. Cook up a batch of seasoned ground beef or turkey to use in lettuce wraps, stuffed peppers, or low-carb tacos. 2. Seafood. Seafood is a no-carb, no-sugar goldmine. Fish like salmon, tuna, mackerel, and cod are not just carb-free but also packed with heart-healthy omega-3s and essential vitamins. And let's not forget shellfish. Shrimp, crab, lobster, and scallops are fantastic, versatile, and easy to cook. Whether you're grilling, steaming, or making a seafood stew, you can't go wrong. Did you know scallops have a slightly sweet flavor but still contain no sugar? They're a perfect treat for seafood lovers. 3. Eggs. Eggs are a breakfast superstar and one of the most versatile ingredients in the kitchen. They're nutrient-packed, with zero carbs and zero sugar. Scramble them, poach them, boil them, or fry them. The options are endless. Ever tried egg muffins? Just whisk up some eggs, mix in your favorite low-carb veggies and cheese, and bake in a muffin tin. They're great for meal prepping. And don't overlook hard-boiled eggs. They're the ultimate grab-and-go snack. Sprinkle on a little salt, pepper, or paprika, and you're good to go. 4. Healthy fats. Let's not forget the fats. They add richness and flavor to your meals and keep you full for hours. Oils, extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, and coconut oil are staples. Use them for roasting, frying, or even drizzling over salads. Butter and ghee. These are ideal for sautéing vegetables or melting over steak. Fatty meats and fish. Think bacon, duck, or fatty salmon. They double as protein sources and fat powerhouses. Try infusing your olive oil with herbs like rosemary or garlic for a flavor boost. 5. Organ meats. Here's one you might not have thought of: organ meats. Liver, heart, and kidneys are incredibly nutrient-dense and completely free of carbs and sugar. While they might take a little getting used to, their health benefits are worth exploring. Liver pâté. Anyone? Add some herbs and spices, and it becomes a rich, gourmet treat. Not all jerky and cured meats make the cut, but plain, unsweetened options like beef jerky or prosciutto are excellent no-carb, no-sugar snacks. Just watch out for added sugars or sneaky carb fillers. Make your own jerky at home for ultimate control over ingredients. It's easier than you think and makes a great high-protein snack. See what I mean? Meat, seafood, eggs, and fats. These aren't just food options. They're your no-carb, no-sugar dream team. Ready to take it up a notch? Let's keep going. If you're finding this information helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe and turn all notifications on to stay updated to our latest health and nutrition tips. When you think low carb, vegetables might not come to mind immediately, but they absolutely should. Not all veggies are carb heavy. Some are nutrient dense, packed with fiber, and barely make a dent in your carb count. Let's talk about the low-carb veggie heroes that deserve a spot on your plate. 1. Leafy greens. These are the MVPs of the veggie world. Spinach, kale, arugula, and Swiss chard are all super low in carbs and virtually sugar-free. Plus, they're loaded with vitamins like A, C, and K. Leafy greens are so versatile. Use them as a base for salads, saute them with garlic and olive oil, or blend them into smoothies for a nutrient boost. If you're not a fan of raw kale, try massaging it with a bit of olive oil and lemon juice. It softens the texture and brings out the flavor. 2. Cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage. These are low-carb champions with a satisfying crunch and tons of versatility. You've probably heard of cauliflower rice, but have you tried cauliflower mash or even cauliflower pizza crust? It's amazing how this humble veggie can transform into so many dishes. Broccoli and Brussels sprouts are also rich in sulforaphane, a compound linked to numerous health benefits, including anti-inflammatory properties. For a quick and delicious side, toss Brussels sprouts in olive oil, roast them until crispy, and sprinkle with Parmesan cheese. You'll thank me later. 3. Zucchini and summer squash. These veggies are light, hydrating, and incredibly versatile. With their mild flavor, they can adapt to nearly any recipe. Ever heard of zoodles? They're a fantastic low-carb alternative to pasta. Saute them lightly with garlic and toss them in your favorite sauce for a quick and healthy meal. You can also slice zucchini lengthwise, grill it, and use it as a base for lasagna instead of traditional noodles. 4. Cucumber. Cucumbers are about as low-carb and sugar-free as you can get. They're 95% water, making them super hydrating and refreshing. Slice them into sticks for dipping, add them to salads, or infuse them in water for a spa-like experience. Feeling adventurous? Try a cucumber salad with a tangy dressing of vinegar, sesame oil, and chili flakes. 5. Mushrooms. Technically fungi, mushrooms are a no-carb, no-sugar marvel. Varieties like button, portobello, and shiitake are not only delicious but also incredibly versatile. Stuffed mushrooms make for a perfect appetizer or even a light main dish. Just load them up with cheese, herbs, or ground meat, and bake until bubbly. Use portobello caps as a bun replacement for burgers. They're juicy, flavorful, and totally carb-free. 6. Asparagus. Asparagus is a springtime favorite that's low in carbs and packed with fiber, folate, and antioxidants. Roast it with olive oil and garlic, or wrap it in bacon for a no-carb, indulgent snack. It cooks quickly, making it perfect for weeknight dinners. 7. Green beans. Green beans are another excellent choice for a low-carb diet. They're crisp, satisfying, and easy to prepare. 8. Peppers, in moderation. Bell peppers, especially green ones, are relatively low in carbs compared to their red, yellow, and orange counterparts. They're crunchy, sweet, and perfect for stuffing or slicing into strips for snacking. For a fun snack, fill mini bell peppers with cream cheese or guacamole. It's a party in your mouth. 9. Celery. Another hydrating and crunchy option. Celery is nearly carb-free and perfect for dipping or adding to soups and stews. Try it with a dollop of sugar-free peanut butter, or chop it into small pieces for a refreshing crunch in chicken salad. Let's talk snacks. We all get cravings, right? Here are some no-carb, no-sugar options to satisfy your hunger without derailing your goals. 1. Cheese. From cheddar to mozzarella, most cheeses are totally carb-free. Pair them with cucumber slices for a crunchy snack. 2. Nuts and seeds. Stick to small portions of pecans, macadamia nuts, or chia seeds. 3. Bone broth. Sip on warm, savory bone broth for a comforting, nutrient-packed snack. When it comes to drinks, it's all about simplicity. Water, sparkling water, black coffee, and unsweetened teas are your best choices. For a fancy twist, add a slice of lemon or a few cucumber slices to your water. It's like a spa day in a glass. Let's get creative. Here are some no-carb, no-sugar recipes that are easy, delicious, and sure to impress. Breakfast. Start your day with a fluffy omelette loaded with spinach, mushrooms, and cheese. Lunch. How about grilled salmon with a side of roasted cauliflower? Dinner. Try roast chicken served with sautéed zucchini noodles and garlic butter. And dessert. Try whipped cream sweetened with a touch of stevia and topped with unsweetened cocoa powder. Before we wrap up, a quick tip: always read labels. Processed foods like marinades, sauces, and even some low-carb snacks can hide sugars and sneaky carbs. Stick to whole, natural foods whenever you can. And there you have it. A whole world of foods that are carb-free, sugar-free, and totally delicious. What do you think? Which ones are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for joining me today. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep exploring.